on, my future meta millionaires? I'm your host Terry, and welcome to my channel, baby. Buy the dip. And if you look here, we're up over 4% today. We'll see where the end of this day takes us, but my lord, we come out hot, and I think we're just consolidating. That's what I want to see. Come out of the gate hot and just kind of, level out and just consolidate. That's what we're doing. So I hope we stay in the channel that we're at in the consolidation. Now, in today's video, we're going to take it a little later, guys. We got to drink. That's right. We got to sit. It's early, man. It's early. Maybe we'll see, come back in a video for tonight. Maybe we'll have the Mad Dog back out, but sip with the old drink there. Now, the stock is setting at $3.73 currently, as this updates here. But yeah, I mean, currently it took a small dip in the morning. We opened at 357. It went down to 352. We instantly shot up to 375. We had a little bit of buying and selling here. We'd shoot up a little bit, a little pullback, a little buy up, pull back, and then boom, we hit 383, and then there came the sell off, or I think a short attack to go from 383. So in a half hour's time, it went down that percentage right there. We went down about 4.6% in 30 minutes. I don't think there's that many day traders on this stock. I think that was probably a short attack. And slowly here throughout the day, we've been, we got down from this 365 up to 374, and we just been consolidating in this channel here, hanging at the 373. So, guys, we got to go over this Cramer video. A viewer called in by the name of Sebastian on Jim Cramer's lightning round last night, and I just had to do a video covered of a couple other small information in this video. So let's go to the video, and I went to CNBC's YouTube channel, and here we go. I got it pulled up. So let's just listen to this, and we got to talk about it.
I just don't see a lot going there. I just don't. Okay, let's go to Sebastian in New York. Sebastian!
Hey, what's up, Jim? How you doing, my brother?
I am doing well. How about you, Sebastian?
Good, man. Listen, I'm calling about a ticker symbol MMAT, Metamaterials Inc.
Small Canadian company, are we? Okay, now, one of these things, when you have these little metals companies, this is not like a little cancer company where I'll say buy it like Trillium. This is one where I really question the long-term approach of them. I don't want to own it. Tina in California.
Bruh. Just, bruh. Like, what? He said he don't want to own a metals company? Well, we don't want to own a metals company either. We want to own the METATERRY company. I don't think, honestly, Jim Cramer, I think, he knew it was from Canada, so he did know that much, but I don't think he truly understands even what METATERRY is, and I get that. That is fair. But my point I'd like to make on that is, if he wasn't 100% sure on what the company is and what the company does, there's a lot of stocks out there, guys. I mainly keep up with a handful of stocks. I couldn't tell you all the stocks either, but I would just say, I heard him say this before in Lightning Round. I need to do more research before I give you an answer, and that's what he should have done. He should have said, I know it's a Canadian-based company. I need to do more research before I give my viewers my thoughts and opinions on the stock, because obviously by his comments, he doesn't know what the business is. We know what the business is. And I did comment down here, and we got some people liking it. I said, MMAT, future meta millionaires, watch this video down the road and see how wrong Cramer is on Meta. I just don't think he truly understands the company. Honestly, should have said I need to do more research before giving advice. I got 8 likes on that so far. There's a lot of meta heads in here. Future meta millionaires. Brandon Barry says MMAT is literally the future of so many important things. This is insane. Check out patents they own. The recent acquisitions with more patents. New factory production. Many new contracts in the works. And a market that's increasing at exponential rates this year already, with more growth expected over the next 3 years. Not financial advice, but the best stock I have personally found. Closest thing to potential unicorn stock. Good luck, everyone. We got one here, Travis Cross, MMAT's the future. Secluded Memory, MMAT's the future. I got to get likes on these guys here. Right there, like. All my meta heads in here, I got to put a like on everyone that's commenting on this video because I'll give one to AMC because I support the cause. We got Ryan here says, Meta MMAT is the stock of the century. Oh, Jimmy, you're such a shorty. MMAT is up 21% in 2 days. We own the float. No shares left to short. $3.53 a share today. You'll never see it again at this price. The stock will 4x minimum next week. This is a company with the key to the future for everything. Their business models and IPs are everything. Expected $179 billion in contracts set for 2022. We got another one here. MetaMaterials is the future, and how come Cramer don't know about it? He is running stock show without company knowledge. I have to kind of agree. Now, I think Cramer does have not a lot of knowledge, so I don't agree with that part in a sense, but he doesn't know what MetaMaterials is, so he should not have gave any advice on a company that he doesn't understand. We got one here. MMAT, FTW, yes. We got another one, MMAT, baby. There's so many MMATs in here. We got Jet here, MMAT with the emojis. MMAT, FTW, AMC, MMAT, you're wrong. And yeah, a lot of MMAT comments on there, man. 83 likes, 22 dislikes. I haven't gave it a like or a dislike yet. I'm kind of undecided. I do like to hear Cramer's points, but I wish he truly understood the company before he would give that kind of advice. And guys, real quick, just want to end it out here on Twitter. We're going to be on George's page. If you go under his tweets and replies, media, and likes, he's liked the post, guys, of the Meta Air Max shoes that we put out there on Twitter. So make sure you go follow me at TerryZ247. I've been actually a little bit more active. I've been posting Fintel updates on there. So it's pretty cool to see on George's page he liked that post. I love seeing our CEO very active with the community. He also liked this post here where Mark Miller, which is Magic 8 Ball, he put in a fake George page, George Twitter account. So that was very nice to see as well. Turn in those fake people. So if we go here to, Ehor is out posting again. So maybe I'll have to see if he's doing MetaMaterials, and we'll put that here in an update. But anyway, back to the home page. And here we go. That was my tag tweet. And I posted here earlier today, if you didn't see, on the Fintel website, we'll go over this later and see if it updates. We jumped up from like a 40 up to a 70. We're ranked 940 out of 9,178 stocks now. So it's nice to see. We jumped up. I think this is starting to line up. Down here is where I did a post last night. So you can see where I posted the short sale, short stocks available at a leading prime brokerage. There was only 100 left, basically zero. And yeah, a lot of great information out there right now. Also been posting on my YouTube. So let's go to my YouTube page. And I have a community tab, your channel. Here we go. There we go. So if you go to my YouTube, you can see right here, and then you got home videos play. Go to my community tab, guys. Make sure you have, you subscribe for notifications. You should get updates on these. I put on here the short sale stocks and stuff. Talking about, how the stock's mooning, how I bought shares on the dip, and yeah, there we go. So make sure you are following me on the Twitter and StockTwits and YouTube. I do post in all those platforms, so make sure you are following me, guys. Love and appreciate every single one of you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.